But...
Sir, I do not understand.
Mr. Fizzwidget!
Wait a minute. I don't think that's him, guys. Qwark?
This is bad.
Alright, just what the is going on?
Angela, watch your language. And Qwark, you were behind all this. You tricked us.
Allow me to explain. I'm about to save the galaxy from the proto-pets, and you are about to become public enemy #1! Oh, and 2 and 3. Guards, seize them! Smile, it's showtime! Citizens of Bogon, I am Captain Qwark. I come to you in this, your darkest of hours, to shine the flashlight of justice on your galaxy.
Flashlight of justice?
As you know, a living menace called the Proto-Pet has been set loose in your galaxy. But fear not, Bogonites. I, Captain Qwark, have caught the perpetrators. Yes, good citizens, these are the masterminds behind Megacorp's experiment with death. And now, with this, super electro gadget I invented, I will end the Protopet threat once and for all.
That's my Elixamorph! I invented...
Ahem. Stay tuned, dear viewers, as I amplify the signal from this helixo thingy and render every protopet in the galaxy completely harmless. Allow me to demonstrate.
Qwark, don't even think about it.
Mommy!
Does that Helixomorph actually work?
It used to. I could probably fix it.
Come on, Clank. Let's get it back.
The soon I would teach that Captain Qwark a lesson.